Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Sigremon Greataxe in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. This spot is in the region of Payloon, just on the outskirts of the city. You can use the letter U from the word Payloon as a guideline to find the area. Now once you're here, you'll see this giant pit with a petrified being. Head down to this area, then just on the right will be a secret wall as you can see here. Cling onto this wall, position yourself in the secret wall, hold the resist, then do a force palm. You'll be forced into the secret room where you'll find the treasure containing the Great Axe. This axe comes with 18 attack, level 3 crit rate, and it's on its second level of refinement. But what stands out about this weapon is that it goes up to level 4 crit rate when maxed out. This is an amazing weapon because of its high crit rate, especially if you're building around Onka since he is now viable for the end game. And that is how to get the Sigremon Great Axe in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.